In our today's video, we will talk about such a design, how it is made or how it can be made. There are countless of these styles on the internet, but do you know how the designers have designed them? First you have to take the rectangle tool and draw it something like this. After using the rectangle tool, fill it with a perfect color to suit your design. You can also go into the coral color plater and select colors like I'm doing. You can choose any color you want, that's why coral is used for such designs. If you ever don't see the bottom bar colors, right-click after the view is interlaced and go to color plate and go there and select document color plate, the bottom bar will show. Use the interactive fill tool to fill the box with multiple colors and something like I'm doing. The interactive fill tool is a great tool that lets you apply more than one color to an object. Now I bring the photo of the orange slice over the box and draw a circle around it with the ellipse tool to power clip it, because by doing this we can mold it into the shape we want. We will select some parts of the orange slice with the help of freehand tool so that we can get the desired shape, which is the requirement of our design. And the freehand tool is a great tool to do that. After covering this part of the orange with the freehand tool, weld the circle and the inlines together and power clip the orange into it. After power clipping the orange slice into a circle, again apply 1 to 2 circles around it. Weld the circles together like this. And then trim the orange circle and the circle created later. Your shape is ready. To make any design, when you practice, your skill starts to improve. Some may find this design difficult, but the method used to make it is very simple. There are many such designs. Subscribe our channel to watch the tutorial so that every new video will reach you and you can benefit from it.